Even do inorganic topic. Okay, it is a theoretical. No, that's what she's thinking. It's actually easy. It's a memory-based questions fully. So, do you have NCERT books? Second part, open and read. Hydrogen. First topic is hydrogen. Redox reactions. Okay, it is a not too difficult topic. We can do revision in electrochemistry also. Question is giving on redox reactions and electrochemistry together. Yeah, read from text. Completely concept-based questions. Inorganic.
Sir,
If you have notes, read, no problem.
sir,
Yeah, tell me, Santosh.
sir, you have to do the worksheet now, no, sir?
Worksheet. Just you read hydrogen topic concept.
Hydrocarbon, sir. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen, yeah, from NCRT. Read as it
Okay,
is
sir.
concept, and we will solve MCQ
Okay.
questions. Hmm? Hydrogen, hydrogen. Yeah, from where you are? No, if there are notes, read from notes. Not a problem. Together you read. You download the notes. Okay, then read. Hydrogen I gave. For SNP block, few topics I did in India. Better to download textbook. That's you better read from. That's another material, not from NCRT. Okay, your choice. You read from that also, not a problem. Little higher concept, higher level concept. So I will explain you some MCQ question from this hydrogen topic. You will know 99% of questions get direct from NCRT only. In JEE, all even this year questions also asked from direct NCRT. Hydrogen, yeah. Stronger base KOH. Stronger base ma KOH. Download hydrogen. So leave about introduction and then go to directly. Give me a minute. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. That's okay. You know that. Okay. Read from onwards. Yeah. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Read that. Yeah. Okay. You read this one. It's not a problem. Position of hydrogen. Introduction. Which topic? Okay. From here 9.1. Yeah. I will explain now. Last half an hour I will explain 20 MCQ questions. That also from past 2020 JE and 2019 JE questions only I will ask. You can't, I know. See, whatever given in the NCRT, all are important. So additionally, some chapters are there. One is nuclear chemistry, practical inorganic chemistry, practical organic chemistry. These are somewhat depth concept, not okay. Depth concepts only. It's there. It's not there in 12th. These are topic related some other external concepts. Yeah. So if you want to take choice of these three chapters, you need to prepare all NCRT chapters. Means in 11th you have 13 chapters, no? 12th you have 15 or 16 chapters. All you need to prepare. If you avoid that three. Yes. One question, one year. What? Uh, yeah, giving. You are correct. But all 30 questions, they are not giving tough. 2-3 questions only giving tough. For maximum 5 questions. 25 you have to write. Okay, leave about 5. If you write 20, how many marks you will score from each subject? 80. 3 subjects, 240. You will get direct seat in IIT only, not in NIT. IIT only you will get seat. What? Timings and all. Yeah, it's not confirmed yet. We'll see. Because to other school students also we need to discuss. Now their schools sometimes they're taking up to 4 or 4:30 also. That's what. It's not finalized timing. Yeah. Full chapter you need to read, yeah. I'm telling what are all important concepts I will. What room? Half an hour video? Oh, you want summary, right? I got it. I got it. Just in half an hour or maximum in 1 hour brief learning. Yeah. That is when if you have fully grip on the topic, we can do that. If you don't know anything, then how we can complete? Are you sure? Okay. Then deleted portion is hydrogen peroxide. Very important concept, hydrogen peroxide. But JE questions are giving from that also. Oh, I didn't bring book. So to JE also more important concepts is soft water, hard water concepts. All complete concept about hard water and soft water, how to purify that. Yeah. And metal hydrates. The concept of hydrates is there. Before that, you can see concept of hydrates. That one and hydrogen peroxide. We can. That's it will come. I just if you practice 3 or 4 times, you can. I told you 4 concepts are very important. One is hydrates, soft water, hot water concept, hydrogen peroxide. These three only. Now, there are other from other topics also giving questions, very few. Hmm. Hydrides. Yeah, there you can see three type of hydrides: saline hydrides, molecular hydrides, and metal hydrides. What? Didn't prepare for school? I mean, for school exam. Then what's the problem? That is not deleted. That is a not deleted portion. Hmm. Hydrogen peroxide is deleted portion for board, but JE they are giving this deleted portion also. Actually, I expected for 12th also not comes three chapter, but they are given from all three chapters. They given three questions from each chapter. One question they given from in all six papers also. That's been out of 12th class three chapters they removed. Chemistry in everyday life, polymers, and metallurgy. But yeah, but they're bad. Like I don't know the chapters what they prepared in school board purpose. From that the question didn't ask. From these three chapters, three questions came. Yeah. Read concept. You can do that. Read concept. You need to tell formula then what? Molarity formula. And then what you learn? No, you need to answer one only. So the one that is not suitable for the removal of permanent hardness of water. Hmm. Temporary hardness, Clark's method, right? Ion exchange method is for? Ion exchange method? Ion exchange method is comes under resin, that is permanent hardness. Yeah. Hydrogen peroxide in the pure state is? That's what, read. H2O2, yeah, that only. Read a concept about hydrogen peroxide. So step by step you go. First read from about hydrides, then no reactivity. You have to read hydrogen reactivity with halogens also. Yes. Resemblance. Oh yeah, that is position of hydrogen is very deciding. Why? Hmm. So the product which is obtained from the reaction, same one involving in the reaction is involved as a catalyst. That is auto oxidation. Yeah. Auto oxidation of 2-alkyl anthracene. This is yes. Chemical formula name that is. See, if we leave question from NCERT means sure you won't get rank. Be careful. Suppose questions coming from NCERT, if you left questions from NCERT means you won't get rank. That's what I'm telling. Read each and every line from NCERT, and important one underline. I think not possible in mobile. After going home, you underline in a notebook. What? Inorganic only. I'm talking about inorganic only. Now, mostly in physical chemistry, not a problem. If you follow notebook, also sufficient. That's what I didn't tell you. Read from textbook physical chemistry whenever. Just if you follow notebook, S and P block completely should read from notebook, textbook, NCERT only. So what will you do now? This full week, your work is only reading of NCERT inorganic chemistry. Okay. So complete that. If you pure state only H2O, it should not contain any impurities. See under physical properties. Yeah, tell me. H2O2 only. H2O2 in the pure state. What is given in the point? Liquid. Okay. That is the question only. It is a pale blue, but in pure form, almost colorless. And one more is I will give options. Read full physical properties. I'll write. Huh? That is 10 volumes. I will explain that. It's a little problematic topic. Only that one I will explain. Preparation and chemical properties. That is correct answer. Read. You only will find correct answer. Read full theory. You know that is in pure state it is a colorless and see in structure also. It is non-planar, not linear. It is a non-planar and almost colorless. Think you don't have habit of reading books. Am I correct? What novels? You're reading those, not reading these books, right? But it is life. Yeah, that's what. If you see 12th class fully organic chemistry, you need to from textbook on read from NCRT second part. First part I will explain and I will give notes only. But second part I don't give notes. Even though I give notes, that is not sufficient. You should read from textbook only. Why are you using this? Which container? Stored in any container? No. How they will store? They are storing in amber glasses only. Ah, in laboratory, but yeah, it is available in medical shop also. Liquid water like that's less concentrated, but somewhat high concentrated one stored in amber glasses only or wax lined glasses. Hmm. Oh, urea bufferated solution. Mhm. What? Give me. Oh, uses are reading. It is used in the synthesis of hydroquinone, tartaric acid, and certain food products and pharmaceutical. Cephalosporin. Okay, that is cephalosporin. That one drug. That is one drug. Drug. Rare. Very rare cases they are asking. How to prepare hydrogen peroxide and chemical properties practice on paper. Because hydrogen peroxide it is acting as a oxidizing reagent, reducing reagent in acidic medium, basic medium also. So how is chemical reaction is giving practice that. Sodium. Sodium per perborate. NaHBO4. Sodium perborate. One minute. Sodium NaHBO4. Borate only, right? NaBO3 and H2O. This is. Sodium carbonate. Water is H2O. Heavy water is D2O. Hydrogen, what we call it is isotope. Protium, deuterium, tritium. You didn't prepare about that. Isotopes. Second concept only, no. Position of hydrogen. Next concept is isotopes of hydrogen. So deuterium means D2O. Don't say D means it's not any new element. Hydrogen only, but it's isotope. Did you prepare how to preparation of hydrogen? How to prepare hydrogen? All reactions are you perfect? Preparation of hydrogen. Hydrogen peroxide different. I'm talking about hydrogen preparation. Yes, that all concept. Complete preparation of hydrogen. One question is there related to that. Okay. dihydrogen of high purity greater than 99.95% purity is obtained through is obtained through A is the reaction of zinc with dilute HCl. The electrolysis of acidified water with using platinum electrodes. The electrolysis of brine solution. The electrolysis of barium hydroxide solution using nickel electrodes. Sure, no? D is the correct answer. Direct question only, but if you didn't read NCRT book, one more thing is in examination also, suppose, yes, that's what. If in board level also, how we are doing, we need how to prepare the hydrogen. First 1 or 2 we are learning, remaining we are leaving, correct? You are not preparing also. Suppose if you prepare also, you don't read this much depth. That's what we are losing marks from inorganic chemistry. One more point is, if question is out of syllabus in inorganic, that is not only for students, for teachers also very difficult to attempt the question from inorganic. That's what almost all questions giving from NCRT only. But question is framing little critical, but giving from NCRT only. Yeah, like NCRT only. Yeah. If you need to prepare everything, you need to prepare. If you revise the same chapter 3-4 times, then automatically it will feed in your brain. There are 20 marks, but all 20 are not MCQs. There 5 questions are MCQ, 5 are assertion reasoning type. 5 are just 1 mark type, one line answer or one word answers. Like different way they are giving. That's what I'm telling. This is the time. Here onwards, you have to read a textbook. If inorganic chapters are going on means, you always with the NCRT textbook and maintain on color sketch also. Underline the important one. Oh, it takes minimum 6 to 7 months. It's not over by just 3-4 months. We can't. By October ending. What? They will give you a chance, 2 attempts. One is in January, another one April. But this time, because of Corona, they give 4 attempts. Every year they are giving 2 attempts choice. 2 attempts, Jan and April. But need only 1 attempt. That's better. One time connection. If it is 3-4 times, some students recently I saw that guy 100%. 100%, he got 100 percentile, top ranker, all India, but he's again writing. It means he got, but he's not satisfied because he didn't get more score. He didn't get 100 by 100 marks. He didn't get 100 percentile. He get. That's what he's attempting second time also. What for tomorrow? I will give you another work. You need to do S block elements. Today you complete this hydrogen topic. Quite. Read. Why are you wasting time? Hmm? Arey, you don't know. You didn't prepare any concept. How can you answer this? I am telling you, read concept. Huh? So read concept. Hard water, soft water concept. Yeah. In comparison to zeolite process, so the removal of permanent hardness, the synthetic resin method is. Read what is there in textbook. How we are exchanging cation? By using how to exchange cation, see that chemical reaction. And anion also, how to exchange. Guys, so what you have to do is you read first what is zeolite process and how that chemical reaction is given. At the same time, resin, how to use resin to remove the hardness by cation and anion. Everything read that, and chemical reaction also observe. All the time. Mhm. Mm. Okay, how chemical reaction is given there, how it can exchange? What element is exchanging cations there? Those are cations. Those are exchanged by what? They are exchanged by? I'm asking question. They are exchanged by cations. Are exchanged by which element? Sodium is exchanging other elements. Hydrogen and hydrogen atom they are exchanging. Then you go to that is cation exchanger. Then anion exchanger is what? OH minus. Finally, this H plus and OH combining and giving water. So it not having any impurities. This here question is given in the sentence form. Sometimes they will give in the reaction form. That's what telling. Everything you need to read. Reactions also need to practice. And this time many questions are repeated JE questions from this book. Nearly 10 to 15 questions are repeated from this book, not as it is, small changes. Arihant only, yeah. Past year questions, past 10, 15 years questions only they are giving. Last year also easy. Chemistry always giving easy than chemistry and physics. No. See guys, if you are dropping means you need to crack almost top 1000 rank, below 100 or 1000 rank. Advance also. If you drop, so just not for qualifying and just for NIT seat. If you prepare hardly these 2 years is enough. I told just 15 to 20 questions if you answer in each subject, you will get seat. 15 to 20. In 30 questions, chemistry, 28 questions they give direct from NCRT. Direct 28 questions they give, but not attempted. Only topper students. 25 only they will give, yeah. Not this year only giving little choice. So whatever they are taking percentile, no. It's not based on marks. They are giving percentile. Who are the toppers? They are taking applying some formulas. What is the highest mark? What is the lowest marks? How many students today attended? Depending on that, who got first highest marks? No, to him giving 100 percentile highest mark student. Working after that, they are decreasing the percentile. Some formulas you are using there. We don't know what that. But if you open category students must have to score 90 percentile for qualifying only. For qualifying only 90 percentile. It means yes. Both are not same. No, NEET not having that kind of. So in India we have 30,000 seats or 35,000 seats are there. 30,000 medical seats are there. Depending on that, they are giving marks, cutoff marks. If you score 500 plus 500, 550, you will get seat. Open category. 550. In during 2016, if score 400 or 450, also they got seat. That time, very less students are attempted test, and question paper also given tough. But now on 2017, 18, 19, they are giving easy only, but more students are attempting, and they are getting 720 by 720 marks also. Neat. Hmm? For NEET, they are giving from NCERT only, mostly. They are not crossing syllabus. The problem the student is who are going for a medical engineering entrance, they are first attempting physics and maths. They are wasting their time by attempting first two subjects. Chemistry attempt maths. The time will waste if you go through first. But what happens? It problematic. It takes more time. In chemistry, maybe 10 questions they are giving problematic. Remaining easy. Within a minute only, you can complete that answer. Hmm? Hmm. 60 marks. Not pass 140. If you score 140, your percentile comes 90 percentile. Qualifying and easy to get seat also. If you score 140 to 180 range also sufficient. But who are going for NEET, they first attempt biology only. First biology, complete theory based. No, you can complete within hour only, all 90 questions. Then chemistry, last physics. No, they won't have maths. That is maths, Ra. That takes, I know. That's what only you need to save the time in chemistry. Hmm. Two subjects. They will give 3 hours time. In 3 hours, 2.5 or 3 hours they are giving. You need to complete two subjects, either chemistry or biology, and physics and maths 1 day they are giving. 2 days. KSET is conducting in 2 days, not 1 day. I think so. Chemistry and bio they are conducting 1 day. KSET, wow, they are giving both the question papers. You attempt all, okay, good. Attempt. Your KSET, attempt all 4 subjects. Oh, biology you can't, no? If you prepare for JE, you can crack everything. Sure. C is correct. Protium, deuterium, tritium, all three are isotopes of hydrogen. Only we need to consider, right? Just making it confused, you know everything what is that. Hydrogen, deuterium, protium, these are isotopes. But what you think hydrogen is element and deuterium and tritium are isotopes? Very simple and silly questions. Giving this kind also. Do you making you it's making you question again. If you see this, you know, but you can't answer perfectly. That's why. Hydrogen isotope means you need to consider that element also. Huh? That value not mandatory. How much size of picometer? That not mandatory. Which is bigger? Which is smaller? What is orders? They are asking. I'm giving. So you read. I will give questions. Book all of your books. Close books. Can you answer now? Close. Oh, you are feeling you know something. Hey, quite. Metallic hydride, your choice. Okay, tell me. Yours are not answering all questions. Which one? A and B. First of all, what are hydrides? What are hydrides? It's compound with hydrogen we call hydride. Okay. How many types of hydrides we have? Say something about metallic hydrides. Huh? Metal plus hydrogen, metallic hydride. Which elements are forming metallic hydrides? Okay. Your chance. Your yeah. Okay. Anyhow, what is about molecular hydrides? Anybody can tell. Molecular hydrides. We have under molecular hydride again. We have three types. There's molecular hydride only. Which elements are forming molecular hydrides? That's what telling. If you read something concept, learn everything about that. Minimum points, if not 100%, saline hydrides. See guys, S block elements and hydrogen. S block elements and hydrogen forming saline hydrides. P block elements and hydrogen. Yes, and again here we have three types. It is forming molecular hydrides. D and F block elements. Hydrogen, it is forming metallic hydrides. And here this molecular hydride again we have three types. electron deficient hydrates, electron precise hydrates, electron rich hydrates. Electron deficient is 13th group elements plus hydrogen. 13th group element and hydrogen, these are forming electron deficient hydrates. Then electron precise is 14th group element plus hydrogen, these are giving electron precise. More than 14th means not 18th, 18th is not forming, leave out 18th group elements. 15, 16, 17 groups plus hydrogen giving electron rich hydrates. All this. This is about hydrates. So read full concept about hydrate. One more question is there about hydrate. Read full concept. They are not in stoichiometric proportions. See, if we write something compound, for simple sodium hydride is there. Range is the range not asking an exam. Just if you know that enough. Ranges are not asking. In suppose sodium hydride means if you take 1 mole, sodium is in Avogadro number, hydrogen also in Avogadro number. That is stoichiometric proportion. If we come into this hydrides, metallic hydride, nickel oxide is there. So hydride, now we are talking about nickel hydride. In 1 mole, actually this also should be in Avogadro number, this also in Avogadro number. It is not in Avogadro number. NiH2 actually, but this is maintaining below Avogadro number because some nickel atoms are maintaining Ni+2 oxidation state, some nickel are maintaining +3 also. That's what. Okay, anyhow, read that concept. Okay. Polymeric or polymer? So they whatever they are given formula, those molecules are connected to each other. Chain-like structures. we call heavy water. H2O is H2O. Heavy water we are calling D2O, deuterium oxide. Hmm. 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 Neutron also subatomic particle, hydrogen proton also subatomic particle. So both are present in nucleus. Chargeless particles. Proton, only one proton, it not have anything. Deuterium have one proton and one neutron. Tritium, one proton, two neutrons. Very simple question. Did you prepare that concept from textbook? Why you are reading? No, I am not telling that. You given compound is. Did you prepare now about molecular hydrides from textbook? And then answer this. Very simple question. Molecular hydrides classified into three types. No, what are those three types? Uh, how many types molecular hydrides? Electron deficient, which are giving electron deficient compounds? Electron precise? Electron rich? And then here find out which is not electron deficient. Do you know group elements? 30th group element, 14th group element, first of all. Tell me 13th group elements. Don't know 13th group elements. Uh, Boron. You completed 11th standard, but you don't know group elements. What is this? Minimum 4 elements. If not all 6 elements, minimum 4 elements. Boron, aluminum. Group elements. Boron, aluminum. Next. Gallium. Tellurium, not thallium. This is 13th. These are forming electron deficient. Then 14th group elements. Yeah? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. These are 14th group elements, 13th group. So here all are 13. Boron, aluminum. Sorry. Yeah, gallium. Then left is silicon only. This one, hydrogen. Not come to this topic on hydrogen and its compounds. I will give read. From hydrogen topic only, from hydrogens and topic hydrides only. Okay, you are asking about volume strength. What is volume strength? Hydrogen peroxide concentration we are referring in terms of volume strength. So very simple, I will explain. Hmm. Okay, see, suppose 10 volumes of H2O2. What is this meaning? We'll see now. 10 volumes of H2O2. It means when we take 1 ml, just 1 ml of hydrogen peroxide, if we decompose, it gives oxygen. Generally, H2O2 undergo decomposition, it gives water and oxygen. This is. If you take only 1 ml, it produces 1 ml of oxygen gas. That is volume strength. 1 volume of H2O2 means 1 ml of H2O2 giving 1 ml of oxygen gas releasing. 10 volumes of H2O2 means if you take 10 ml of H2O2, it gives us 10 ml of oxygen gas under STP condition. This gas, this is we are taking in liters mLs. This is also in liters or ml we are taking. Suppose 10 volumes of H2O2 means 10 ml of H2O2 on decomposition gives no, not 10 ml, 1 ml only. 10 volume is 1 ml of H2O2 on decomposition gives 10 ml of oxygen gas. That is 10 volumes of H2O2 meaning. If it is 20 volumes of H2O2, what is this meaning? If you take 20 volume of H2O2, this concentration, we are referring to 1 molar, 2 molar, molarity, normality, like that. 20 volumes H2O2 meaning is, if you take 1 ml of this 20 volume of H2O2, it produces 20 mLs of oxygen gas it releases. This is taking 1 ml only. 1 ml of 20 volume H2O2 we are taking. Okay. Are you getting? If you are saying 1 ml of 0.1 mHCl, 1 ml of H2O 0.5, like that, this is also like that concentration term. So if 20 volume, sorry, 1 ml of 20 volume of H2O2 on decomposition gives 20 ml or 20 centimeter cube of, we will get confused, 20 ml of oxygen at STP. No doubt, not a problem, no doubt. First write this decomposition reaction, then mm, mm, mm. No, hydrogen we have to complete today itself. That's what you practice MCQ questions. I explained how past year JE questions, not 2020. Few questions are there, 5 or 10. I will explain these also possible. You can do that. That's not difficult. Practice at home. Then prepare concept of S block elements. Tomorrow I'll explain. S block you prepare. And we have 2 more classes in this week. Then we will do 13th group and 14th group also. P block. In organic chemistry, don't worry. Along with 12th class syllabus, I will teach 11th also. I want to revise that again 11th. That's what I'm telling. Prepare now itself. So by October, we are completing 12th syllabus. Then we have only 2 months of time. In the 2 months, you have to revise all 11th and 12th also. I don't get again to revision, just giving some MCQ questions, make you practice. Huh. Oh, sorry. Here I wrote 20. Yeah, 10 volumes of H2O on decomposition gives 1 ml of 10 volume of H2. 10 volume here referring its concentration. In a week, 3 days I'm giving completely board level concept, only concept explanation, and I will tell you what and all important for board also. Question and answer I will tell, but I don't give notes, just I will tell you this is important and all, but 3 days we're discussing. And in weekly 1 days, only solving MCQs. That day, no notes. I don't give notes that day. We are providing material also this time. MCQ material along with the concept material, everything providing. Material will provide. And if you want running notes, you can write. I don't give separately notes this time. Hmm. Got it. That's what this time. That's what this time we are providing full material. Okay, then we'll prepare that only. And uh, uh, oh, only one chemistry book. We are providing 3 volumes. 3 volumes. Only one chemistry subject. There only. Then read over. Textbook what is there? Textbook 2 volumes are there. Then they're not giving question and answers. How to prepare? They're not giving. No. Just they give you concept, not questions. The school syllabus, your chemistry 10th class syllabus, full 5 chapters, no? That all 5 chapters is equal to thermodynamics, right? That's such kind of chapters, you know how is in 11th, how many chapters are there? Structure of atom only, one notes completed, right? Most one notebook completed for structure of atom only. What? That's what do revision. That's what I'm telling is you don't, before comparing with the 10th percentage and 11th percentage, you compare your hard work also, then you compare results. Heavy syllabus is heavy. That's what. How in colleges students are coming, sir? I got 10th class percentage, 98 percentage. So I will crack IIT. It's not a problem. But after coming and conducting first exam only, it will get 11 below 11 marks. 11 marks is pass percentage out of 30. Student is getting below 11 marks. Problem means, sir, it's a vast heavy syllabus, sir. One chapter only, one notebook is completing within a month. So chemical periodic table and chemical bonding, I gave you many shortcuts also. Don't lose marks from the 2 chapters. Not on that, all inorganic, don't lose marks. That also inorganic. Okay, you want question? And depending on this, okay. Volume, this volume strength only, I will write problem. Okay. See, the strength of 11.2 volume solution of the strength of 11.2 volume solution H2O2 is that's only the strength of 11.2 volume solution of H2O2 is. We have to calculate how many grams of H2O2 is present in 1 liter solution. That means strength. First write balanced equation, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. (11.2) this is calculate molar mass of H2O to 2 moles. Molar mass of H2O is 34. 2 moles 68. So when 68 grams of H2O2, sorry, percentage, not grams, undergoes decomposition, it is giving 32 grams oxygen, or okay, 32 grams, or we can say it is according to 22.4 liters. 4 liter at STP. So what does this mean? The strength of 11.2 volume solution of H2O2 is when it gives 11.2 liters, how much mass of H2O2 gives 11.2 liters? What is the meaning of this? Is okay. This is fine. Let me tell you. Here, 11.2 means if you take 1 ml, 1 ml of 11.2 volume of solution, it is giving 11.2 centimeter cube of oxygen gas. If you need to take here 1 liter, 1 ml is giving 11.2 mLs, right? If you take 1000 ml, 11,000, just 1 ml of this solution, 1 ml of this solution giving 11.2 ml of oxygen gas, right? If you take this is 1000 ml, then nothing but you can write 11.2 liters only, no? Correct? Are you getting my point? I told you if it is 1 ml, okay, 1 ml is giving to 11.2 ml of oxygen. If you take 1000 ml, that is also into 1000. 11.2 into 1000 is 11,200 ml, or nothing but 11.2 liters only, right? So, okay, now I'm writing, see, 22.4 liters. You need to calculate in strength. Now, strength, how we are mentioning number of moles of particular substance present in 1 liter of solution. That is meaning strength. 22.4 liter of oxygen produced from 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide. Now 11.2 liters of O2 produced from just 34 grams only. So now strength is 32 grams of 34 grams of that only. I wrote in liters here. You observe I wrote liter. If you didn't write liter, write 11.2 into 10 power 3 mLs. This I wrote here later. Later means 10 power 3 only, no? So 34 grams of H2O2 present in 1 liter of solution. So now volume strength. This is strength, 34 grams of H2O present in 1 liter of fuel. Normal strength we are referring like that. Volume strength is percentage we are taking. 34 divided by, calculate this, we'll get percentage. Hmm. One minute. So, tell me. Then we'll get 20,000. That also gives, yeah, same answer. Hmm. For grams. Why do you want to take 11.2 grams? Hmm. Mhm. No. Okay, so this kind of problem already there one in textbook and CRT example solve that, but their answer is given some messed up, means you can't understand. You do like this, you will get answer easily. So already I shared no MCQ questions, hydrogen topic. Yes. So solve minimum 100 MCQ questions from that and prepare S block elements. Tomorrow we'll solve MCQ questions from S block elements. Give me pen. So even though if you prepare inorganic now, you will get forget, I know, after 1 month or 2 months. Yeah, after 1 or 2 months, you will forget everything from inorganic chemistry, even though if you prepare. Why I'm telling, if you prepare and make yourself notebook within 2 or 3 pages, you have to complete that all important points in notes. And the next time in revision time, you will complete very fastly. Within 1 hour only, you can complete one chapter. That's only, yeah, that only do. Highlight the points. Yes. Yes. So during final exam time, again, preparation of full textbook means it's difficult, no?